Good afternoon, Marrakesh members of the Finance Committee. My name is Luis Pimentel, Glass Manager at Marrakesh Country Club. I am here to propose to you the replacement of the patio retractable awnings. Marrakesh Country Club is a private country club. We're also known as the Jewel of the Desert. This club was established in 1978, and the club goal is to provide the highest quality environment for living, recreation, and social interaction for its membership. Like other clubs in the area, the clubhouse plays an important role in attracting and retaining new members. Current Marrakesh members know about this, and that's one of the reasons they're constantly looking for ways to improve the clubhouse, which it's gonna, again, meet its membership expectations and attract and retain more members. Year after year, we keep improving things in the clubhouse. That's the main place where members get together and they all have a great time there. And the objective to improve the clubhouse is, again, to enhance its membership dining experience. One of the improvements to the clubhouse was the addition of the patio. And the main reason for this improvement was to serve lunch in the patio, that's why the members are here. They want to have a good time, they want to have lunch, and they want to bring their friends, and that's the place that they go to. Shortly after they install the awnings, to cover the sand and sea sets on the west side of the clubhouse, we started having issues with the awnings. One of the reasons was because the awnings weren't pre-owned, and nowadays the parts are no longer being manufactured, which is a problem now, an issue, and what happens is it increases the repair costs to our budget that we have. Based on my experience in the years that I've been working for this company, the clubhouse is the most widely used area in the whole clubhouse. And with this kind of awnings that we have, they're obsolete, and the members are constantly complaining that they're not working properly or they're not functioning properly, which it's not good for the club and it's not good for the members. Based on what I know and my years of experience in this club, the awnings, they're 30 years old. When they were bought, they were 10 years old already, so it's 20 years past again, and they're 30 years old, and I think it's a time to replace them. That's why I'm proposing to replace the awning system for a high-tech awning system, which has a tilt-able made of a shoulder, made of aluminum to support, and a definite variable pitch of an arm in a range of 8 to 45 degrees for better protection. The system that we currently have, if we try to put them out, they go like that. So that the one that I'm proposing, it'll go like this, which is gonna improve the protection in the patio. We're gonna have no sand in the patio, and which is not gonna disturb the members that they not having lunch or dinner. This system also requires low maintenance, which means that we'll have less expenses in repairs. This system also is remote control operated, which you can pretty much use it for anywhere in the club and bring them up or retract them as you need them. This system also has energy efficient motors, which is going to save on electricity, which is something that we want to do, save as much as we can. This system also has wind sensors that as soon as the wind starts to blow at 10 miles per hour, the system will retract. We'll be protecting our asset, because if we don't put those sensors, or we don't have those sensors, at some point in time, the system can break with the wind, and there goes our asset. If you guys approve this, the project can be completed in 3 weeks. And within those 3 weeks, it's not going to affect the dining room schedule, which is another good thing that I see about this system. And the correct person to take a lead this project, I think, I'm the person correct for that, because I'm the glass manager, and I'll be overseeing the project, making sure that it is completed on time and without any inconvenience. I also met with the House Committee, which is the committee in charge of overseeing all the house operations, and they agreed with my idea of changing and replacing the system that we have, because they're members also of the club and they know about that problem, and they constantly complain to me. So they agree with me, and I'm very supportive about that. Given that, I contacted 3 companies to get different codes and to find a company the best meets the vision of the retractable system, and trying to find a company that gives the best code in order to stay within budget. The 3 companies that I contacted are Coachella Valley Awnings Incorporated, Awning Covers, Sunsetter Awnings, and from all these 3 companies, Sunsetter offers the best deal and the best quality, and is within our budget. As I mentioned before, the awnings are 30 years old. They're way obsolete now. We can find the parts, and it's just costly to keep them. Having said that, the repair costs that we have just with this system that we have, it's $874 a month. That's how much we pay in repairs for these awnings that we have. I don't think it's a great idea to have this expense. Something that we can fix that. If we buy a new system, which is gonna cost us $15,000, we'll be saving, in a period of 4.5 years, we'll be saving $38,000, which that money we can put it in a special account where we can use the money for future improvements to the glass, or we can also buy new equipment as we need it. Marrakesh Country Club, it's been very successful in making improvements to the clubhouse facility. And that's the reason I'm requesting the funds from you, the Finance Committee, Marrakesh Finance Committee, to replace the obsolete system that we have. And I know that with this company, the Sunsetter Awnings, this company, we can buy the system, and it's gonna be within our budget. With your approval, we had the opportunity to change the awnings, the obsolete awning system we have, for a high-tech retractable awning system that not only saves money on repair costs, but it also enhances its membership dining experience. But we have to do this soon. As soon as March 25th, that's the code that I have. If we do that before the 25th, then we'll be able to do this within our budget. But we have to act now. And fast action will help the company, again, to avoid extra repair expenses, solve the awning problem. Thank you for your time, Finance Committee and Classroom.